For many people, working in the lawn and garden is a favorite activity during this time of the year. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a simple solution for storing your lawn and garden tools right after this. Are you in the mood for some binge watching? Well, you're in luck because today's homeowner has partnered with Amazon Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and log in to watch more than 175 full-length episodes of the Today's Homeowner television show. Get all of your best how-to advice and simple solutions for your home on demand. Best of all, it's totally free for Prime subscribers. Find Today's Homeowner on Amazon and start your viewing marathon today. One of the challenges for people who like to garden is finding space to store their tools, particularly long-handled tools like rakes, hoes, and shovels. If you lean them in a corner of the garage or basement, they inevitably become a tangled mess, and hanging them on the wall can burn up valuable wall space. Try this. Buy several threaded I-hooks and several J-hooks at the hardware store. Screw the I-hooks into the end of the tool handles and screw the J-hooks into the ceiling joist in your garage, basement, or storage shed. Arrange the hooks so that they're out of the way but still accessible. And if you have lots of tools, you can even hang up to 3 tools from one hook. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.